Greetings and salutations. I am the one and only Joe of the Fine Arts Center, and I am here today to show you how to report that you have received goods and or services on Colleague. First things first, take your invoice, shipping tag, etc., and go scan a copy of it to yourself. I'll wait here until you get back. Now that you have a copy of said documents scanned to your computer, go ahead and log into Colleague, as I've already done here. Here on the home page, you can either click on the Financial Management tab here, or click on the Daily Work button here, then Financial Management button, and then the Receive Goods and Services button here. If you clicked on the Financial Management tab, then you will be brought to this screen. Once here, just click on the Receive Goods and Services tab here. Either path you take will lead you to the Receive Goods and Services page shown here. On this page, scroll down and find the items you wish to receive. In my case, our piano tuner, Michael Anderson, came out last week and would like to get paid. If you do not see the item you are looking for or the PO it might be connected to, then you need to contact the purchasing office. Once you have found the items you are looking for, in my case, these two line items for Michael Anderson here, you just go to the column marked Quantity Accepted and enter the number you have received. In my case, he performed maintenance on one piano here and tuned two pianos here. Once you've entered the quantities, you just click the Submit button here, and it will tell you that they have been received. However, you are not finished yet, for if you remember, I told you to go make a scan of your documents. After telling Colleague you've received the goods and or services, you must email the purapp@wc.edu address the scanned documents. In the subject line, put the PO number and then attach your scanned copy. I also like to write a little note telling the nice folks in the business office whether or not I have received everything for that PO and if the PO can be closed or not. And once you hit send, that's it. It's all over. Finished. Done. Fiend. Hopefully this has helped you in your efforts to claim your goods. If you have any questions, please contact Julie Mollier in Tech Services. Thank you and happy purchasing.